There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night.
All right. Try to make a little short video today. Most of the time we just film the big trucks, but rollback business is probably the majority of our business. We're up here about 35 miles or so from the shop picking this tractor up, back into town, deliver it to the equipment place. Figured I'd make a short little video on how to load one of these. I believe this one runs. Locked on that side. There we are. Let's see here. Now the reason I like to load these things backwards is I can get the back of the tractor real close to the headache rack. And the idea here is to get the weight as far forwards on the truck as you can. Now the real question is, how do you get this thing in reverse? Oh, there we go. Found it. This thing's pretty wide too. We'll have to see if it's actually going to fit. I'm gonna have to line it up better than that. Get you guys a little better angle there. We're looking to get as far back as you can get on this thing here. Alright, let's see if this thing's going to hold itself. Excellent. Okay. I guess I did an alright job of getting her on the bed there. Not terrible anyways. There's big supports for the front loader. I like to take my winch cable, around those supports there. And we'll take some chains. Find a spot to hook on to this thing. Go to that straight. I do like to go over the top of the bucket. Now, put some tension on that. Now you don't want to lift your bed up all the way. You want to keep that stabilizer bar on the ground until it comes up on its own. That's how you keep from lifting the front of your tow truck up. Now you can go down with it. And all the way forwards. That ain't going anywhere. Put some safety on this thing, and we'll be ready to roll. All right, just got where we're going. Wanted to show you guys just how close I'm talking here. As you can see, there is less than 3 inches of room between the headache rack and the tractor. Now, you can see the front wheel is actually forwards of the rear axle, and that helps because the majority of the weight of this tractor is distributed between both my axles. If I had loaded it the other way, the rear axle would have been right about where this front loader is. And so you can see that's a significant amount of weight, probably 4 feet behind the rear axle of this thing. So this way you keep some of your front axle weight, and it just helps the truck handle a lot better. It's safer, and you can see where my chains come over the top of the bucket here. So that's my preferred way to load them. There's obviously plenty of ways to skin a cat, but this is what I've found the easiest and best. So let's get this thing unloaded. All right, guys. A little shorter video today. Appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, feel free to check out some of our longer videos. Generally speaking, we do a lot with our heavy wreckers, but today I kind of just felt like making a video with the rollback. Like I said earlier, it's a lot of our business. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing. Have a good day.